In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Xero Organization. Before we start, a quick note on terminology. In Xero, deleting an organization is handled through canceling the organization's subscription. That's the action you'll be looking for. Make sure you have the right permissions, ideally the subscriber role, and be certain you're working on the correct organization. If you might need the data later, export your reports and files first. Open your browser and head to the Xero website. Any regional homepage is fine, you'll be taken to the same login portal. Click Login and sign in with your usual credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step to proceed. Once you're in, choose the organization you want to remove. In this walkthrough, I'm selecting the demo company, labeled Demo Company Global. If you're practicing or just want to see the flow safely, that demo company is a good place to follow along because it resets and won't affect real data. If you're working on a live organization, pause for a moment to double check the name so you don't cancel the wrong one. With the organization open, navigate to My Xero. You'll find My Xero in the menu at the top right, usually under Your Organization or User menu. Think of My Xero as the control center for your subscriptions, billing, and organization management. This is where you can make changes that go beyond day-to-day accounting, including canceling an organization. Inside My Xero, locate the option to cancel. In this guide, we'll click Cancel to begin the process. Xero may display information about what cancellation means, when access ends, and any outstanding bills. Read those details carefully. If you are not the subscriber, Xero will indicate that only the subscriber can complete the cancellation, so you may need to ask that person to perform this action. A couple of practical tips as you finalize this step. If you're canceling a paid organization, access typically remains available until the end of the current billing period, which can give you time to download any final reports. Consider exporting key items like general ledger, trial balance, invoices, and contacts, as well as any files stored in Xero. If you have connected apps or bank feeds, be aware they'll stop syncing after cancellation. And that's it. You've navigated to Xero, logged in, selected the correct organization, gone into My Xero, and used the cancel option to delete the organization. Take a moment to confirm you've saved what you need, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.